No.
Okay.
This is the whiskey.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
It's
Are you ready?
moonshine.
Ah, it didn't go off right.
Why are you doing that?
Ah, it's too cold. Okay, this is only a test. This is only a test. Please come back into the living room and sit down for your instructional trip.
Just happened.
Sit down and be quiet,
Stop.
or you will be hit with a blast from the horn.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get all the play solitaire.
Stop and sit down.
What is happening? What's on?
Heal this, please.
Okay.
I need one. No.
Have to be quiet.
Stop and be quiet. This is only a test. This is your 2018 graduation trip instructional video. Number 1, any and all questions will be answered at the end of this test. Any and all earlier questions will be met by a blast from the horn. Number 2, when you hear the horn blast go off, it will be then the start of your trip. Number 3, you will have 90 minutes from the time you hear the horn blast until the time you have to get ready to leave for the airport.
What?
Number 4, the horn blast can come at any time of the day or night, and during the days previously discussed in an earlier email, May 6th through May 12th. Number 5, in those 90 minutes, you will have time to take care of any personal hygiene that needs to be taken care of. Number 6, in those 90 minutes, you will get dressed and wear appropriate comfortable clothes for travel and head downstairs. Number 7, in those 90 minutes, food will be prepared for your consumption downstairs in the dining room. Number 8, food will be appropriate for that time of day, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Number 9, in those 90 minutes, you will be given an envelope with copies of your itinerary and copies of your important documents that you may need should you lose one during your flight. This envelope will be placed into your luggage. Number 10, in those 90 minutes, your driver's license and photo ID to get onto the plane. Page 2. I need help with page 2. Thank you. Number 11. In those 90 minutes, you will have your luggage taken outside and placed into the car for transportation to the airport. Number 12. After the 90 minutes is up, along with myself and your mother, we will head to the airport. Number 13. Once we reach the terminal, you will then be given your flight number. Number 14. You will only get this information at that time, so do not ask before then. Number 15. You will then head to the flight board and finally find out your destination. Number 16. You will then be handed an envelope with your flight, hotel, and transportation information that you will need. Number 17. Your mother and I will go over your paperwork with you and then time to check in and get you on your way. Number 18. On the third page is a suggested list of clothes and other items that you may want to bring with you. Number 19. We suggest that you pack early as you can because as stated on page 1, section 4, the horn blast can come at any time. Number 20. Are there any questions?
My question is I feel like you're like my professor lecturing to me right now. This is what it
That's not a question. Any questions, please? Keep it pertaining to the instructions.
21, you say conduct a test.
I didn't get to 21 yet. So,
Ask any questions.
are there any questions? Obviously not.
You have to say 21 first.
21. So live it, love it, and learn these 19 instructions. Because as your parents, we reserve the right to conduct a test at any time, during the day or night. which includes any time during your graduation ceremony until the day of your trip.
No. That's what happened during graduation.
Sorry, that's not a question, that's a demand. There are no demands.
You're gonna honk the horn.
Your parents are in control. Page 3. Page 3.
No.
Suggested clothing and other essentials for your 3 days and 3 nights. Number 1, socks. Number 2, shoes for walking. Tennis shoes, maybe 2 pair. Number 3, slippers for around the room or hotel.
Slippers.
Number 4, sandals, if you have them for around a pool, hot tub, or a beach. Number 5, sweatpants. It may get chilly in the evenings or could be used for bedtime. Number 6, blue jeans. Number 7, shorts, because it may be warmer than you are accustomed to during the daylight hours. Number 8, bathing suit, again for around a pool, hot tub, or a beach. Underwear, number 9. Enough said. Number 10, dress shirt. You may want to go out to dinner, you want to look nice. Number 11, t-shirt, short and long sleeves. Number 12, sweatshirt, again because the evenings may be chilly or for bedtime. Number 13, toothbrush. Number 14, hairbrush. Number 15, and my personal favorite, any personal feminine products. Ew. Number 16, cell phone and chargers. Number 17, glasses, contacts, sunglasses for a pool, hot tub, or a beach. Number 18, other or miscellaneous, anything that you may want to add to. That concludes your instructions at this time.
Now, you said maybe chili. Do you mean like chili as in the food or chili as in cola? Because you spelled it with an I.
I don't know, I'm probably chilly as it's cold. Sorry for my misspelling and making me look like a fool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, that concludes the first test of your graduation trip. There may be more coming.